First, you will need to power up your tester. Connect the power input plug into its socket, then power up the external power supply for function test. After that, we have to connect our control panel, as you can see on the picture, with two-hand safety control, because this tester is not safety current limited. We also have a second model, AT1886B, which is current limited, and with that you don't need any special safety control. Then we connect our external emergency stop button on the panel. And the last one is external I/O for two-hand safety control. Then we will connect the eProbe for protective wire measuring. And after that we will connect our DUT. Our DUT for today will be this light. The last one, we will activate our circuit breaker, turn the power on, and press on for the generator to load up. Now we can test. From main screen, we can go to menu, where we can see all the functions. First, we got remote option for remote control of your device via software or PLC. Second, we got editor option, where we can make complete test programs. Next to it, we have a single test, where we can find all the tests a tester can do, like protective ground test, continuity test, high voltage AC/DC test, insulation test, leakage current test, function tests, and many more. Then we have user setting, results of the measurements, and info for checking version of firmware, date of calibration, or serial number of the device. Last one is a setting, where you can set the remote controls, you can choose for multiple languages, and much more. Now let's get into the full test segment. In menu, you will press editor. Here you can choose a new test program or existing one. I already prepared the test program of our test, so let's take a look. The first one is protected ground test, where you will set up current, test time, and minimum and maximum resistance. The next one is high voltage, where we'll also set up voltage, test time, and current. The third one is insulation test, where we will set up voltage and minimum resistance. Last step is function power test, where you can measure 3 values at once, which 2 of them will appear in graph. I choose real power, which should be around 20 watts, current, and input voltage. When we have all set up, we will go to main screen and start the test. The first step, we will start with start button on eProbe for protective ground test. For high voltage, we will use the two-hand safety control on the panel. The same will be for insulation test. And the last one is function power test, where we can see our DUT light up. At the end of the test program, we can go to results, where we can find our result of the measuring with all the measured values. Your protocols are saved in internal memory, but you can change it. Save it directly on USB or to your server via Ethernet connection. If you want to see more of our products, make sure to visit our website at spselectronic.com. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.